YouTube and welcome to my channel for another fun episode of Drawing with Inky. Today we are going to learn how to draw one of the most unique and strange animals there is.
Hello people of YouTube!
This is Inky, my helpful assistant.
So, what's this unique animal you speak of?
We're drawing a platypus.
What is that?
Well, it's a water and land animal with a bill and webbed feet.
That's not unique. That's a duck.
No, it's a platypus. Anyway, let's start drawing. The first step in drawing a platypus is drawing its face. So, I'm going to do a little furry thing here, and another on this side.
This is going to be a very fuzzy duck.
It's not a duck. Then, you go up here and connect them. You can also do one of these. Then, you can start on the bill. You do one of these. Thing here and a line here. Then you do a line here, a line here, and a line here. Then you can draw the nostrils like this and like this, and draw the eyes like that and that. Then you draw two circles in the middle of the eyes, two tiny circles in the corner of the pupils, and even more circles in the center of these circles. Then you fill in these ones.
I told you this duck would be fuzzy.
It's not a duck, Inky. It's a platypus.
If it looks like a duck and swims like a duck,
it's not a duck. Then, the next thing that you're going to draw is a line like this that goes back, a line like this, lines like that, and lines like this.
That's a very weird tail for a duck.
It's not a duck. That's how you draw the tail. The next part is doing a line here, and then doing some feet here. You do very skinny lines like this. In order to make the feet, which might look weird at first, but when you fill them in to make them web feet like this, they look a lot better. Then you finish the legs by doing another one of these here, connecting that to there, and doing a last leg.
I think ducks only have 2 feet.
It's not a duck. Then you do the lines there. Finally, you do lines here at the base of the tail. You can also do a line here, here, and then a bunch of free lines here to make your platypus look fuzzy.
What did the duck say when he dropped the dishes?
It's not a duck, but what?
I hope I didn't quack any.
That's funny. Do you have any platypus jokes?
No.
Also, you draw eyebrows here. And that's how you draw a platypus. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. Done with your platypus.
Or as I like to call it, a duck.
Inky, for the last time, this is not a duck.
Well, why didn't you tell me that earlier?
I did tell you earlier. Oh, forget it. Anyway, thank you to my good friend Andrea for suggesting this platypus. This was a fun one.
Fun and educational.
That's right, Inky. Anyway, thank you. Bye.
And keep on drawing.